Hello student, today we will discuss about UML Unified Modeling Language in Object-Oriented Software Engineering. First, introduction to UML. A language provides a vocabulary and the rules for combining words in that vocabulary for the purpose of communication. A modeling language is a language whose vocabulary and rules focus on the conceptual and physical representation of a system. A modeling language such as the UML is thus a standard language for software blueprints. The UML is a standard graphical language for modeling object-oriented software. Next, features of UML. First features is comprehensive. UML can be used to model anything. UML is designed to be user extended to fill any modeling requirement. Second feature, language independent. UML does not matter what high-level language is to be used in the code. Mapping into code is a matter for the case tool we use. Next, syntax only. It is just a language. UML tells you what model elements and diagrams are available and the rules associated with them. UML does not tell you what diagrams to create. Next, well documented. The UML notation guide is available as a reference to all the syntax available in the language. Next, conceptual model in UML. Here, to model a software-intensive system requires learning and understanding three major building blocks. These building blocks are the part of UML vocabulary. The vocabulary and rules of UML language tell us how to create and read well-formed model, but they don't tell us what model you should create and when you should create them. That is the role of software development process. A conceptual model is the first step before drawing a UML diagram. It helps to understand the entities in the real world and how they interact with each other. The UML vocabulary has three kinds of building blocks. First, things, second, relationship, and third, rules. Things are the basic element in a model, while relationship binds these things together. Diagrams binds collection of things. Next, diagrams in UML. Here, there are two main types of UML diagram: structural diagrams and behavioral diagrams. In structure diagram, logical diagram, class diagram, object diagram, then physical diagram, component diagram, deployment diagram, and component structure diagram and package diagram. In behavior thing, use case diagram, state machine diagram, interaction diagram, activity diagram, state chart diagram, collaboration diagram, sequence diagram, interaction overview, and timing diagrams. Next, UML things. Things are the basic building blocks of the UML. We use them to write well-formed model. Any type of diagram has structure and it specifies behavior also. In UML, there are four kinds of things: structural things, behavioral things, grouping things, and annotational things. Next, there are 7 types of structural things: class, interface, use case, collaboration, active class, component, node. These are the structural things in object-oriented software engineering. And behavioral things is message, state, activity, grouping thing, package, and annotational things.